Hello guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel, and if you're just new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. Well, I'm actually doing this video for my kitchen. I'm cooking. Me and Noves, I beg I did cook. So as I promised yesterday that I was gonna make a video. I know it's late, it's pretty late, okay? I had to run around for some things and all that, but I beg, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make the scrub, the ingredients you actually need, the measurements and all that. So let's go make it, okay? All right, so as I promised you guys earlier that I was going to make a video pertaining the scrub. I'm sorry I'm making this video this late, and the backlight is not really that it's not positioned to the place it's supposed to be positioned, but bear with me. I beg no kuna no vessel. Should I do like this? Wow, okay, I think this is way better. Okay, so as I promised you guys earlier that I was going to make a scrub, a body scrub that can actually be used for everyone, though expensive, but at the same time can be used. It's actually meant for people with damaged skin. And when I say damaged skin from harsh chemicals, bleached, you've probably bleached your skin and your body is becoming red, and it can't even change from that redness to another skin. You find it difficult for it to go back to the former skin tone you once had. It's red, you're having uneven skin tone, you're having green veins everywhere. It's not just looking good. Well, all I have to tell you is you need this scrub. Apart from that, I know people will be like, why don't I just get Yoko? And Yoko can still do that. Every scrub has its essence, okay? It has what it's meant to do. The reason why we're adding all these combinations together, you can see we're adding 5 days action milk. This is to help in brightening the skin as well, okay? So when adding all this salt and everything together, this is to brighten. For people who probably like organic, this is organic, but not all that organic, because you're adding your oils into it, and these are industrial oils. And this is also our style clear oil. This is a glowing oil, okay? This oil can be used for some recipes, but not all recipes. There are certain recipes that needs this oil, so please don't go around mixing what you don't know, like the lady who mixed her baby and burn and destroyed her skin. Please, when you don't know about the mixture, it does cost a token. It's not, when I keep saying it, after mixing damaging your skin, use money in repairing your skin. So please, you are being stingy for your own skin, I beg. That's why I'm taking my time to give you a bit of the recipe, which I ought not to give you. But then again, I want you guys to look good. Yes, I want you guys to look good. So this is our style clear oil. It's a glowing oil. I beg, don't go and be adding it with creams you don't know about, okay? There are certain recipes that need this oil, but for this scrub we need this oil. This is our alum powder, okay? Our alum powder. You know what people say about alum now? I've heard this rumor. I don't know if it's rumor or it's true. When they get to say you need to add alum, probably put alum in water and wash your vagina. It's gonna tighten that area. I haven't tried it though, but so many people in school it was like this rampant stuff or something like that. But this is alum, and it helps in tightening the skin, okay? So since you have a bleached skin and it's loosed easily, it can easily be torn. So you need alum powder to help tighten that pores. That's why I said this scrub is suitable for you. Now these are licorice extracts. I know some people will be like, why don't you just use the white licorice extract? Well, in this case, you can decide to use the white licorice extract, but the brown licorice extract is more nourishing in this case, okay? There are situations where you can use your white licorice extract, but in this case you need your brown licorice extract. It's going to do a good job. It's going to go way better on your skin than the white licorice extract. And this is our black salt, okay? Our Indian black salt. So this is it. You see here. So it's easily shredded. So this is the salt we'll be using making our scrub. And this is our Himalayan salt. Well, the reason why I actually took this long in making my video was because of this Himalayan salt. I had to start matching it up because it was like sea salt. It was bulky, so I had to match it up and also sieve it. That's why you can see it like this. So these are Himalayan salt. So now all we just have to do is, I'm sorry I'm shaking the camera, all we just have to do is add our salt together. So you can see we're taking our Himalayan salt, we're adding it together with our black salt. Okay, so it will only make sense for you to add it, but then again you can just use your hand to match it up. The reason why we're doing it like this is, one, we don't want any, can see stony particles. Here we have one, so we don't want that happening to your skin. For someone who's having a bleached skin, your skin is easily torn, you don't want a stony scrub. You want your scrub to look as fresh and as smooth as ever. But then again, I'm going to be honest, this scrub smells like crazy. It smells very horrible. I've also used it before. It's very, very good, very good. If you notice your skin is loosening up, you know, your pores and everything, or probably you've bleached your skin and you notice there's a sign that is showing that you're bleached, or you probably get injured quickly. You know, people that tend to bleach now, their skin is so loose that they can just, any small tear like this, maybe you just probably hit your leg somewhere and there's a tear. It's really, really horrible. So you need this scrub to help tighten it. But due to the fact that this scrub is expensive, what I do about this scrub, I won't lie, I was using it once in a week, just once in a week, and that once then I won't dab it everywhere. You see it's beginning to smell. It's the I think it's the black salt mixed with the Himalayan salt that is causing this smell. It smells very bad. As in, if you don't live in your own house and you're using this scrub, people will think you probably went to do voodoo. You know, now we African people tend to think you went to do a voodoo or something, but that's not the case now. We know now. So all right, so we just have to do this. I'm sorry, I'm still cooking, so mind me. Don't mind me. I'm actually multitask, so please bear with me. This is Tony. Just have to take it out. Okay, so what do we need next? We need to add our licorice extract. It's also a powder. We need to add it into it. I know some people will be like, why don't you just mix our oils together and just add all the powder? Honey, you can see why I'm doing this. Okay, so it blends in properly. Most times it's always good for you to follow procedures, because it's way better, and it's probably just going to be easy for you to use your scrub, so that one side won't be effective and the other side is just like cream. When people mix their cream, sorry, this thing's falling off. When people mix their cream, some side, you notice some side is doing a good job, and then you notice some side of their skin is not really doing a good job. So please, let's be careful with our mixtures. We also make mistakes. I'm not saying I don't make mistakes, but let's not try and make mistakes today. Okay, so this is our alum powder. So all the powders are meant to be mixed together. Oh, I forgot to tell you, yes, for the Himalayan salt, you need 100 grams of Himalayan salt, 100 grams of black salt, and you need 60 grams of licorice extract. Licorice extract, you need 60 grams. For your black salt, you need 100 grams. Himalayan salt, 100 grams. And your alum powder, you need 50 grams of your alum powder. I forgot to do that. I'm really sorry. I just remembered I had to tell you the measurement. But again, if you probably do not get it, you just go to my description box and you see my you see the measurements there, okay, accurately written down for you. Okay, you can no vex say this video is just coming out this little. You can no vex, I beg. I had some running around to do, so please bear with me. All right, so we're getting our 5 days action milk, and we'll point everything into this container. This is our liquid now, so we're separating it. At first we just have to separate it. The smell is already coming out and it's horrible. The black salt mixed with the Himalayan salt is a stench smell. It's a bad smell. But forget the smell, this scrub, they work. Okay, some people will be like, yeah, there was a girl who probably didn't know how to make the scrub. She said she made the scrub, it was so watery and all that. The scrub is not meant to be watery. At first to look watery, but if you leave it for a while, you notice it will sink in and it becomes hard. All right, so this is our liquid together again. Add it together and you mix it too. Okay. Right, so you need just 1 style clear oil. You saw the way I mixed it, right? 1 style clear oil and 1 5 days action milk. Okay, and you mix it together. The smell is horrible. Smelling bored. Smelling body. Okay, so we just add our powder inside it. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to be careful. I don't like to sweep up and down. Sweeping my kitchen unnecessarily. So let's mix it. Okay. We add another dose of it. Yeah, we're adding everything into it. Okay, so all right, now we have to keep mixing it till it blends in completely. Smells horrible. Yikes. Ugh. What the hell? Okay, then some side you might see stony, so you have to start taking out the stony part. I think this stony part is coming from the alum powder, probably the Himalayan salt. So wow, this is bad. Condemn. That's horrible. But believe you me, this scrub they work you right. Okay, so our stony side we have to take it out. No, this is not stony. Naturally, you can see they are not really stony. It's just that they are a bit just some are stony because of the Himalayan salt, but some we need to really press it out so it gets to It smells so bad. This is done. Remember the day I used it, I was in school and the next day my friends just ran out of the room. Like, Monica, what are you using? My God, that thing smells horrible. The girl said she made a scrub like this and she threw it away. How could you waste so much money? Hey, a big girl, I think I should be your friend. Just keep mixing it. Hold on, I think I can't press. Okay. Sorry, I told you guys I was going to be multitasking. I'm cooking. Please bear with me. Okay. Alright, so I'm back. Let's continue mixing. Well, some people will be like, is this how it's going to be like? No. I'll tell you how it's going to be like. I wish I could let it sit for a while, because it's going to sit for a while and it thickens. Okay, you have to cover it with a lid, then it thickens. That's when you can actually go use it and take your bath. So right now you can't use it because you have to wait till it thickens. But you know I have to upload my video before it thickens. But I'm just going to show you how you do it. So you just keep turning it. Well, yours is not meant to be as stony as mine. You know me, I'm in a hurry right now because I need to cook, I need to upload the video quickly. It doesn't really need to be stony. And again, mine is stony because my Himalayan salt is a stony Himalayan salt. Okay, it's a hard rock, so I had to match it up. You see, this is Himalayan salt. I had to match it up and I had to sieve it. So please don't get the stony Himalayan salt. Get the plain Himalayan salt. Mine was stony because I couldn't get another Himalayan salt in the market. But that doesn't mean because it's stony, doesn't mean it won't work, or doesn't mean it won't thicken. It will thicken. It's already thickening, you can see. It will thicken really well. Alright, so yours should not be as stony as mine. Okay, try and sieve yours, but I had to be in a rush because it's late now. Look at the time I'm making my video. So please, you can see I'm already breaking some parts, some particles. So if you're having problems saying alright, so I'm sorry, we're back. I had a call, so I just had to speak. I think from now I'll probably start putting in flight mode. Probably have time to make the video and all that. I'm really sorry. So this is it. This is the scrub. So for people who probably want it softer than this, please don't sieve it. They don't sieve it because then you need the granules. Okay, you need particles as well. So remember, but not harsh granules. So if you notice the rocks are a bit hard because of the Himalayan salt, you could just take it out the way I was taking some of it out. You could just take it out. But naturally you need granules, because those granules are going to help in making it work faster the way Yoko actually works. I like scrub with granules. Naturally, I don't like scrub that do not have granules. I like scrub with granules. But if you happen to be someone who doesn't like scrub with granules, well, you can't use this. You need this scrub to be with granules, because you can't just leave it on your body for a while. It smells like crazy. But you need to leave it on your body for a while, but not that long, where you leave those white bleached scrub on your body. So all you just have to do next is to cover it off. You can see it's a bit watery, but it's gonna thicken up, trust me. Okay, you cover it up, no air. Okay, you don't need to have any air on it. So I would have actually showed you guys how it looks like, but I'm in a hurry. I need to cook and I need to upload it. So I'm gonna use it tonight. I'm 100% sure I'm gonna use it tonight. So people with a bleached skin, this is the scrub you need. The Bani bleached skin scrub with you for people who probably have damaged skin and all that. You want to rebuild your skin. Most times, it's always advisable you use this scrub. Though expensive, but it's worth it. I'm sorry I'm using an ice cream cover. I didn't see a better one to use. So please, this is the scrub for people with bleached skin. No, this is the scrub that is really suitable for you. It's going to help exfoliate your skin. And hope you guys enjoyed watching my channel, because I'm going to break it up from here. All right. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you've been watching it from the beginning till this time and you've not subscribed, honey, please do so. Subscribe, like, share my videos, and I love you guys like kilo day. Bye guys.